head over to Scrcpy's GitHub repository. Look for the releases and go to the latest release. Scroll down until you find the assets and download a zip file for your operating system, which in our case is the Windows. Extract that zip file and open it. Now head over to your phone. Now on your phone, go to your settings, go to the developer options. If you don't have it enabled, you just need to go to about phone and click on the build number 7 times. But I've already done that, so I'm not going to do. So go to your developer options, scroll down until you find wireless debugging and enable it. And when you've enabled it, click on it again. Then you click on the pair with pairing code. So on your computer, inside the Scrcpy folder you just downloaded, right click anywhere inside it and open in the terminal. Okay, inside the terminal, you type adb pair. Then you use the IP address and port on your mobile, which is 192. For my case, it's 192.168.8.123, followed by colon, then the ports 41881. Then you pair. I'm so sorry, I forgot to add that slash to it. So then you type in the pairing code from your mobile, which is 650434. Okay, so if it gets an error like unknown host service, all you need to do is just kill it all. So use adb kill server, then kill it from the tags manager, then you start the adb server again, then you check if it's coming, then you can continue with what we do and connect it. So you've paired the devices now using adb. We go with adb connect, then the IP address, which is up there under the device name. So it's 192.168.8.123 colon 44381. So now it's connected. So then as you're inside the Scrcpy, then you can just run Scrcpy. You see there's an error, it's saying that there are multiple devices connected. So let's just create Scrcpy -s, then the device you actually want to use, which is my SMA04 192.168.8.123 colon 44381. Give it a bit of time, it's doing its thing. And there you have it. Your screen is now showing up. This is all wireless, by the way. Not a single wire is connected to my PC. So then you can watch your TikToks on a big screen. You can also decide to control it using your computer. I forgot how slow this phone is. Okay, so all this is good and all, but there is an easier way to do all this shit, because typing all these commands and facing all these issues is hard. So this is the easier way, using a tool I built called Flect. So to use Flect, head over to the L.A.P tutorials GitHub repository. It's in the pinned repositories. So go to Flect. I'll leave the link in the description below. Go to the new releases and download. At the time of recording this video, it's for only Windows. So once you download it, just open the folder, extract it, then look for the run.bat and run it to install everything I need. Then it will give you a nice web UI where if you've already done it, you can see that it's already connected. You can do the pairing stuff right in here. So you type in your IP address, the code and the ports per device. Then you set up the connection just as we did for the other one. Once it's connected, you just be it here and you can start mirroring it. It will show up. Yeah. So this is Flect. Everything is simple. And if you get more controls, you can decide to set up every other thing. You can turn off the phone screen so your phone will go off. You can always stay on top. Tell me, which one would you prefer? Using the commands or Flect to make it easy. I have everything written out into the blog post. It will be in the description below so that you can just follow this one too. Make sure everything is set up. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any issues, just leave it in the comments below. I'll address and I'll see you all in the next video.